How to count colored cells in Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet software that allows you to organize and analyze data in various ways. Sometimes, you may want to count colored cells in Excel to see how many cells have a certain fill or font color. This can be useful for highlighting or categorizing data based on color criteria. However, Excel does not have a built-in function to count colored cells directly. To count colored cells in Excel, you need to use one of the following methods. Use the Find and Select command to count colored cells. This method is quick and easy, but it is not dynamic, which means that it does not update automatically when you change the data or the colors. To use this method, follow these steps. Select the range of cells that you want to count. Go to the Home tab and click Find and select Find in the editing group. In the Find and Replace dialog box, click Options and then click Format. In the Find Format dialog box, select the fill or font color that you want to count. You can also use the Choose Format from Cell option to pick a color from a cell in your sheet. Click OK to close the Find Format dialog box and then click Find All in the Find and Replace dialog box. You will see a list of all the cells that match the color criteria and a count of them at the bottom left corner of the dialog box. Use a filter and a subtotal function to count colored cells. This method is more dynamic, but it requires you to apply a filter to your data and use a formula in another cell. To use this method, follow these steps. Select the range of cells that you want to count. Go to the Data tab and click Filter in the Sort and Filter group. Click the arrow next to the column header that contains the colored cells and select Filter by Color. Choose the color that you want to count. You will see only the rows that contain the colored cells in that column. In another cell, enter this formula, equals subtotal, 102A2A19, where A2A19 is your range of cells. You can also use 103 instead of 102 if you want to count non-empty cells instead of numeric cells. Refer to the IMG below. You will see the count of visible colored cells in that cell.